So this box is an exploding box, and I used some paper from Simple Stories. That I think the name of the paper pack is Faith, and I made this for a male friend. So the box, let's see, here's the front of it, and there's another one here. And then you open it, and boom, you get the explosion piece. And so it opens up like that. And then there are cards inside of here, like this one. I'll pull out. And there's one in each one of these little pockets. And here is a bookmark magnet. So that's that layer. And I'll put some pictures right here of him and his family, but I didn't want to show them now. Then here's this box. Boom, it opens again. And I'll put some pictures here as well. Then there's the top to the final box. Boom, that opens. And it's got pockets. And I made this cross out of beads. I'm going to send him that. He can wear it or he can just leave it in the box. And then there are little cards in here. And he can put pictures in there or he can leave it as it is. And, just think about it, go through it, give him some good thoughts. So that's the prayer box that I made.